quick extras video because I've done the unboxing on this TV. It's the 65 QN900A 8K TV. Got a Harmer wall mount. I'll put the model in the description if anybody's interested. I'm just going to quickly mount it. This TV, it has a 300 by 400 square visa. I've got 10mm bolts, 10mm M8 bolts there. Put a couple spacers on each because we only want maybe 6mm into those threaded holes. We look to the edges of the TV, we can see where the slim fit wall mount attaches as well, but it's not really going to suit on this one, so I've gone for the normal bracket for this install. So I'm just going to position both of those arms, just drop each of one of those into the holes. Just nip those up, so that bit of slack, I'm just going to push the arm up, nip that one up tight there. Same for the others. Okay, so this plate will be bolted on the wall. The TV will hook on like so, and that is pretty much it. There are 2 screws that can wind in there to secure it if we're worried about it being knocked off or stolen. This is in a showroom with a ledge beneath, so even if I wanted to, can't get those in, so I'm not going to bother trying. Dimension critical to me that I want to know is from the bottom of the TV here to the bracket, which is about 353mm or just under 14 inches. So now wherever I want the TV to be, I can measure up that distance and mount that plate to the wall. Right, put a tiny mark where I want the bottom of my TV to be and to the bottom of my bracket. I've also put the plate on the wall with a spirit level and just marked, pencil marked all of the slots where I'm going to put holes. There. Pre-drilled, put my screws in and wound them back out, so I've got a thread there. You can see where my last bracket was on those holes, but we'll ignore those for now. So all I'm going to do is just wind my screws back in to those holes. Get one in on the other side loosely. Level on top, just so I can level it up as I nip that screw up. Okay, so we're nice and level. We can simply just wind the other screws in. Okay, so we should be nice and secure everywhere, no wobble or movement. Level back on top just to check. Well, so all I've got to do now is put my one connect lead down the hole. I've got a void here to thread my cable down and out at the bottom. We're all ready to go. I've got my one connect lead in. All I'm going to do now is put my TV on the wall. I might have to actually climb up on this stand below, but it is what it is. Not actually a bad weight for a 65. So it should slide down and hook on. Just give it a quick slide side to side. I'm going to look over the top of this one because I've got the look through to be able to. It's good to have a quick peek from the sides as well, just to make sure our hooks are on those rails, which they are. Well, so dare I do this on camera? Oh my god, knackered. I'm just going to plug my one connect lead in. It's about 10 times where it was. There it is. Okay. We've got these white screen protectors still on here, either side. We'll get those peeled off. And this huge, well, this screen protection film on, so when I can find where the tab is, eventually. Right, we should say peely peely, nice immaculate screen underneath.